In October 2017, astronomers made a pioneering discovery when they detected an entity journeying through our solar system from interstellar regions. This enigmatic visitor was dubbed Oumuamua, Hawaiian term signifying scout or herald. Since its unveiling, it has been the topic of extensive scientific discourse and conjecture. Its uncommon trajectory, elongated configuration, and perplexing conduct transformed it into one of the most captivating enigmas in contemporary astronomy. Now, with the aid of the James Webb Space Telescope, we have captured the initial authentic portrayal of this interstellar wanderer. Oumuamua's appearance defied all previous expectations. Unlike comets, it lacked a visible tail and exhibited no indications of outgassing. In contrast to asteroids, its unforeseen acceleration as it moved away from the Sun couldn't be elucidated by gravitation or recognized forces. Numerous theories have been put forth, including one positing that it might be a fragment of hydrogen ice or even a spacecraft devised by an advanced civilization. However, no elucidation has been conclusive until now. Launched in December 2021, the James Webb Space Telescope was engineered to uncover the profoundest mysteries of the cosmos. Its capacity to capture infrared light has enabled it to discern particulars that other telescopes couldn't. When Webb focused on Oumuamua, now considerably more distant from our solar system, it apprehended something extraordinary, the first genuine image of this mysterious object. Webb's findings have substantiated what was previously speculative. Oumuamua possesses an extended and asymmetrical contour, with its surface exhibiting grooves and craters, unmistakable indicators of its billions of years of traversing through interstellar space. The most astonishing disclosure, however, is the makeup of its surface. Webb's observations reveal complex organic compounds and elements not habitually encountered within our solar system. This powerfully implies that Oumuamua originated in a fundamentally different cosmic milieu. One of the grandest puzzles enveloping Oumuamua has been its inexplicable acceleration as it departed from our solar system. Webb's data has precluded outgassing as a cause but has introduced fresh possibilities. One intriguing hypothesis is that the acceleration could be ascribed to an exotic mechanism such as a light sail, a theoretical technology that utilizes light pressure to propel an object through space. Courtesy of the James Webb Telescope's aptitude to analyze light reflected by Oumuamua, scientists have been able to discern the materials on its surface. The data discloses a blend of metallic minerals and compounds unfamiliar to our solar system, alongside traces of elements that could constitute organic molecules. Among the most fascinating discoveries is the existence of a highly reflective material which could account for its unusual brilliance. Furthermore, there are compounds suggesting that Oumuamua might have emerged from a neat and dynamic star system. These revelations furnish crucial perceptions into the processes transpiring in sections of the universe where matter is structured in radically diverse fashions than in our solar system. One of the more recent theories proposes that Oumuamua could be a fragment of a planet that was annihilated by extreme gravitational forces. These forces, potentially triggered by a massive star or approximate black hole, could have torn the planet under, fashioning an object with an atypical form. If this theory is accurate, Oumuamua would be a survivor of a cataclysmic incident, bearing the chronicle of a lost world. This scenario unfolds novel prospects for examining how stellar systems evolve and undergo transformation over time, as well as how disastrous occurrences might generate objects that traverse the galaxy. The organic compounds detected on Oumuamua's surface have ignited conjecture about its perspective function in conveying the fundamental constituents of life across the cosmos. In a universe brimming with potential, could Oumuamua serve as a natural conveyor for disseminating vital molecules to other star systems. This phenomenon, termed interstellar panspermia, implies that objects akin to Oumuamua could play a pivotal part in propagating the elements for life throughout the galaxy. Not only does this notion challenge our comprehension of the universe, but it also prompts us to contemplate whether events in Earth's past might have been influenced by similar processes. Oumuamua is more than merely an interstellar object. It is a cosmic temporal encapsulation, carrying with it the narratives of events that unfolded ago. Scrutinizing it imparts knowledge about its genesis as well as how stellar systems interact and advance within the galaxy. Moreover, the examination of Oumuamua establishes the foundation for forthcoming expeditions aimed at intercepting and scrutinizing other interstellar voyagers, offering fresh perspectives on galactic mechanics. This breakthrough serves as a prompt that the universe is replete with enigmas awaiting elucidation. Oumuamua has not only challenged our scientific paradigms, but it has also reconfigured our understanding of our position in the universe. Its advent reminds us that we are a minute component of an immense cosmos where phenomena of this kind transpire regularly, far beyond our present observation. If Oumuamua is indeed of artificial derivation, it could represent humanity's initial indirect engagement with extraterrestrial sapiens. Such a revelation would wholly alter our comprehension of existence and intellect in the universe. The revelation of Oumuamua has, of course, inspired a new cohort of scientists and engineers to conceive beyond our solar system. Initiatives like Breakthrough Starshot, which endeavors to formulate probes that can journey at relativistic velocities, epitomize the dawning of a novel era of interstellar exploration. These future undertakings could not only intercept entities like Oumuamua but also investigate their attributes comprehensively, assisting in resolving fundamental queries that persist unresolved. With each subsequent discovery, we progress closer to a destiny where humankind can not only survey the universe but also interact with it in manners that we can presently only envision. Oumuamua, the interstellar envoy, is far more than simply an object that traversed our solar system. It is an unbarred portal to a universe overflowing with possibilities and mysteries. Its discoveries have revolutionized the domain of astronomy and ignited inquiries about our origins, our station in the cosmos, and our destiny. Thanks to the James Webb Space Telescope, we have taken a pivotal stride forward in our pursuit to grasp what it entails to be a constituent of such a vast and intricate universe. Oumuamua serves as a reminder that although we are diminutive, our inquisitiveness and impetus to investigate are what render us formidable. The universe beckons us to aspire, and this is merely the outset. What additional arcana lie concealed out there? Only time and our steadfast quest for knowledge will unveil the solutions we cherish. Your insights, what do you believe is truly conveying to us? If you wish to persist in exploring the enigmas of the cosmos, do not overlook to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification chime. Will greet you in the ensuing video. Thank you so much for observing as we persist in disentangling the riddles of the cosmos. Oumuamua remains a central focus of scientific inquiry. Its transit through our solar system signifies rare and unprecedented occurrence, inaugurating novel avenues for exploration and apprehension. The breakthroughs it has instigated encourage us to continue gazing beyond the accustomed to seek resolutions in located, scrutinizing previously. The endeavors of astronomers, physicists, and engineers are only just commencing. Forthcoming missions propelled by the inquisitiveness kindled by Oumuamua will enable us to scrutinize analogous interstellar guests in greater specificity. The advancement of more Sophisticated telescopes and space probes will empower us to behold objects from even more distant expanses of the galaxy and to unearth their concealed aspects. Perhaps we will someday possess the capability to intercept such objects while they are still journeying through interstellar space, offering even more revelations into their essence. With each successive discovery we gain comprehension not only about the objects themselves but also about the methodologies we employ to examine them. The technology underpinning the James Webb Space Telescope, along with the innovation propelling new space exploration undertakings, will persist in evolving, amplifying our capacities and augmenting our understanding of the universe. As humankind embarks further into the unknown, we are learning that the inquiries we pose today are paving the path for the breakthroughs of tomorrow. Oumuamua also prompts us to consider the broader scope of our own solar system. The more we ascertain about other segments of the galaxy, the more we grasp about the processes that fashion our own celestial vicinity. The presence of organic compounds and materials not indigenous to our solar system intimates that our proximate setting might not be as singular as once presumed. It raises the prospect that other stellar systems, perhaps resembling ours, could harbor planets capable of sustaining life, or that life itself may have emerged from objects traversing between the stars. There is a feeling of urgency to these investigations, as each fresh component of the enigma assists us in making sense of our place in a far grander and more interwoven universe. Whether Oumuamua is a shard of a distant planet, a probe from an advanced civilization, or a natural message from the farthest reaches of space, its expedition through our solar system functions as a catalyst for more profound exploration in the future. As technology progresses and our understanding of space deepens, we might even cultivate the means to transmit our own communiques across the stars. We may learn how to utilize light pressure, as theorized in the instance of the light sail, to propel spacecraft at astonishing velocities, enabling us to attain remote segments of the galaxy in a mere fraction of the duration it would require using current methodologies. Visitation has ignited dialogues that transcend mere inquisitiveness. It's challenged the manner in which we perceive ourselves and our future, both as a species and as a planet. Its arrival compels us to reevaluate what we comprehend about life, technology, and the boundless potentialities of the universe. Could we likewise someday dispatch our own artifacts into the remote stretches of space, hoping that they too will be discerned by other sentient entities? Could this be the commencement of a new chapter in the narrative of human investigation? There are still numerous questions left unasked. Why did Oumuamua behave in such an inexplicable fashion? Was it deliberately dispatched here, or was its passage simply a consequence of natural dynamics? If it is a probe, who could have transmitted it? These inquiries remain open, awaiting subsequent research and the next wave of technological progressions that might bring us nearer to comprehending the genuine character of this interstellar wayfarer. As we advance into an epoch of more sophisticated exploration, we can anticipate additional surprises, more conundrums, and more revelations about the universe. The study of objects like Oumuamua will only escalate in significance as we persist in extending the frontiers of space exploration. It's not solely about the quest for extraterrestrial life, it's also about grasping how the universe operates, how it evolves, and how we integrate into the immense cosmic jigsaw. Ultimately, Oumuamua's passage through our solar system serves as a memento that there is so much more out there to uncover. We may be just initiating the surface-level understanding of the authentic essence of interstellar objects, but every breakthrough brings us one step closer to answering inquiries that have endured for centuries. In the end, Oumuamua's visit is more than just a scientific happening. It's a symbol of human curiosity, of the impetus to reach beyond what we are familiar with and to seek out the profound secrets that lie beyond the stars. It reiterates that the universe is teeming with endless possibilities and that the grandest discoveries are still in store for us. So, what are your reflections? What do you contemplate Oumuamua's journey implies for us, and what concealed aspects could it be harboring? Share your opinions with us in the comments section below. If you desire to continue delving into the unknown and plunge deeper into the marvels of the cosmos, don't neglect to subscribe and strike the notification bell. Stay tuned for more videos that will transport you on a voyage through space and time. Thank you for watching, and we anticipate seeing you again soon as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe together as humanity embarks on this thrilling expedition into the unexplored. The detection of objects akin to Oumuamua serves as a guiding light for our future endeavors. The realization that we are part of a considerably grander, interconnected cosmos presents both humbling and exhilarating outlooks. We are, after all, on the threshold of unlocking the most profound enigmas that have sculpted the universe for ages. The concept that we may not be alone in the universe has become an even more pressing query in the wake of Ouumuamua's advent. Could this be the initial indication of extraterrestrial existence, or is it merely a cosmic aberration? These queries invigorate both scientific investigation and public imagination, equally forging a bridge between the realms of theoretical probabilities and tangible breakthroughs. Even if Oumuamua does not furnish definitive answers to these questions, it undoubtedly propels humanity toward new frontiers in space exploration, innovation, and comprehension. The prospect of space exploration is not solely about acquiring knowledge. It's about harnessing that knowledge to forge novel technologies and fresh methodologies for interacting with the cosmos. Advances in propulsion, space travel, and communication systems will continue to evolve, allowing us to delve further into the stars and perhaps even one day resolve the age-old question of whether other civilizations exist beyond our planet. This is not merely an academic pursuit, but a quest that may redefine the very essence of human existence. Every discovery like Oumuamua offers a chance to reevaluate our position in the immensity of space and